Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys that is related to resume. Is your resume is not getting shortlisted or you are confused where I'm going wrong? I am applying to hundreds of jobs, still I'm not getting any replies from the companies even though the situation is little bad for job seekers, but these are more chances that you are not applying correctly or your resume is not up to date or well maintained, filled with the right content. Okay, so if you are a fresher, college student, working professional, either from tech background or non-tech background, everyone needs a good resume template, right? So if you're looking for that, then this video is for you. Okay, we will gonna talk on all those topics. Before that, if you're new to this channel and you are looking for off-campus placement material, previously I have shared all these resources. Go check it out. Like you will get everything through playlist you can find. Like you will get online coding question, aptitude material, okay, startup list resources, free tech resources for like AI, ML, web development, and many more. If anything is missing, you can let me know. Also, check the playlist of resume. You will get more resources related to resume, like things you can add in your resume if you don't have any experience. Okay, skills you should maintain in SDE role, resume, data analytics position, and there are some videos related to ATS-friendly resume, how what is it is and how you can make. Okay. Now coming back to our video, today we'll be talking how you can create a good resume. Also at the end, I will be providing you a good resume template, uh, latex based as well as doc based. Okay. So now, like first of all, what is a resume and why we need everyone knows and why it is important. We knows without a resume we cannot apply for any job. The first thing they ask is your resume. You should have a well maintained resume, so you already know the importance of resume. Now, like what are the steps like to create a good resume? Because what we do, we just go to any random website, we just make fill few details and we download and use it for every job application. We do not tailored with a specific job description what are the skills mentioned. We just apply with the one resume. So like let's follow the steps what you can do. First of all, you have to choose the type of format you need. For example, there are three types like chronological resume, where a chronological resume lists your work experience and education in reverse chronological order, like starting with your most recent job. Okay, and then is functional resume, focus on skills and achievements rather than work history, suited for career change with the employment gaps for those people. And then combination of resume, okay, combines elements of both chronological and functional. So these are the some format you have to check like which best fit for you. Now the first thing that you should do, like most of the people do mistake, is that they do not add their complete contact information. Either you will miss your email ID, your phone number, right? You have to add all these details as well as your LinkedIn profile, and if you have your portfolio, GitHub ID, and yeah, city or state, it's optional. Now, write a compelling resume of summary or objective. So with the here you can get the example like how should be the summary or your objective. You will get like if you're creating for software engineer role, you can just like you can ask from the chat GPT, create a summary for me with this skills and looking for this role in a human tone. Okay, not just copy paste everything. Then you have to highlight your skills. So in highlighting your skill, there should be like your hard skills. In hard skill comes technical skills like software proficiency, data analysis, whichever role you are applying. Okay. And in soft skills you have to mention like your teamwork, problem solving, uh, interpersonal skills like communication. Okay. So take out the keywords from the job description and use it here, use it in your resume. So every time you are applying, you have to take out the keywords from the job description and fill in all these details. Okay. Like uh, for a job summary, take out the job description and take out the keywords from it and fill it with your same as in your skills which fits. Now detail your work experience. So these days like people just add a random thing. Like you have to be specific for which role you're applying, and related to that you have to add experience. Like if it's for SD role, so you have to add experience related to SD role, not data analyst role. Okay. And yes, then you have to add your education section where you have to complete, right, net, not just like BTech. You have to like full form. Okay, like a bachelor's of science in computer science, bachelor's of technology with then university name, location and date of graduation. So the other things like you can include certification and license, that will be a plus point. Okay, then additional option or like add optional sections like if applicable, like volunteer work you have done, awards and honors, publications. So first of all you have to gather all these informations. Then comes writing your resume, right? You have to collect these information, and then after that you have to create a resume with a good resume template. Once you are done with that, you have to read it again and again so that you eliminate all the grammatical errors in that. Okay. Now like, yes, I haven't said resume template, but let's first talk all these things that you have to be careful, and then at last you just take the resume template and create for yourself or edit based on the points here mentioned. Now resume tips, what to do: like customize your resume, tailor your resume for each job application. Like most of us we apply with a single resume, we don't edit according to the job description. That's why you are not getting shortlisted in major cases. Okay. Some people are smart, they do. That's good. Use action verbs. Like you have to use action verbs like developed, increased, managed, something like these. Okay. These things you have to use, and you have to add some quantitative quantify achievements where you have to use numbers. For example, reduce cost by 15%. Okay. And keep it concise, don't just fill with irrelevant thing, only related to the job description. At last you have to optimize your resume ATS friendly. Like it's easy for the ATS machine to catch keywords from your resume. So you have to use a good resume template, not just any colorful profile picture and all that we get fancy resumes from some sites. No, you don't have to use that. Now, resume mistake, what not to do: like don't use generic resume, avoid sending the same resume for every job, don't include irrelevant or information. Like many people I have seen, they apply with their college resume where they have their declaration, their personal information, right? Don't include those things. Don't forget to proof read. You have to find any, if there is any grammatical mistake, you have to erase that. Don't use unprofessional email address like this: John Doe, this is a instead party guy. Use like this with your name, not this party guy and an extra thing. Resume example by job title. For example, if you're accountant role, then highlight financial analysis, budgeting and software skills if possible. teacher for that, software engineer for that. Now at last I'm sharing a resume templates which can be helpful for you. One is like these are latex based, one column based, two resume templates, two column based, two resume templates. If we look this, it's all on overleaf. You can just edit these resumes, sign in, and then you can edit these latest based resume templates. So these are ATS friendly, like well structured, one column based resume. The other one is similarly one column based. Okay, these are two resume templates, one column based, and then we have two column based. So this is like these are the resume templates which are very famous. People, most of the people use it. Also this one. So go sign up and use for yourself. And at last, I have added some ATS friendly doc based resume template and cover letter. Okay, so in this, I have added a resume template like Microsoft, which are recommended by Microsoft. Okay, free resume template by Microsoft. You will get the link in the description. So watch this video, you will get the explanation. Okay, and then another is like cover letter. In this video you'll get the cover letter, cold email templates, and many more. Also one there is one way premium uh, resume template which you can use, the doctor link in the description. Okay, go check it out, all these resources. And at last, when you have a good resume template and you're looking for referral in your dream company, then you can visit to this portal, that is TopMate, where you'll get the chance to ask referral from the employees of these big companies. So if you visit to this, there is a button, referral by company. Just put your basic information. Many of the people, like 10,000 experts from top 100 companies ready to refer you. Okay, you have to just fill your detail. Many people will connect to you. Okay, also there is a referral in 15 minutes. Here you can ask referral from these employees from the top companies, in whichever the company you want a referral. Just go to that person and uh, book a session. Mostly that referral one is free, but few people may have put it uh, charge. So to check the like seriousness. Okay, no worries. If you want referral in Qualcomm, referral in Qualcomm, it's free. You can connect with them. Okay, they will connect and with the basic information about you, why you should be good fit, they will refer you. Like if you're good fit. Otherwise, you will get the chance to connect to them, to ask your doubts, to get learn from them. Networking option where you can ask like how they get there, all those things. So go and check out. Also there is a one refer by role. What is this? Like you can go to LinkedIn, copy the job section, job ID, and paste it here. It will tell you the people who can refer you in that. Okay, go to like LinkedIn, check any of the job like for this, copy the job section, job ID, and paste it here. It will tell who are the people who can refer you in this company for this role, right? So these are the companies, these are the people who can refer you for this role. Okay, the previous link was copied, so it's showing for the Oracle. So whichever the job ID you will provide it, it will tell you. go check it out. And if you have any doubt or uh, any queries, do comment on the video. I will try to help you guys, and I will bring more resources for you guys. Don't forget, like here, you get the people whom you can ask referral. Connect with them, they will help you in that. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.